seal test, the name that means topmost quality. In ice cream, milk, and other dairy products presents Burr Tillstrom, creator of Kukla, Ollie, and all the Kuklapolitan players with Fran Allison in Kukla, Fran and Ollie.
Toy. What's the matter? You're hearing things. Yes, I know, I heard you. Just hearing things. Toy to you. Nice. Place certainly gets dusty overnight. Fran?
Yes?
You mind coming here a minute?
No, not at all. How are you?
I'm not sure.
Don't you feel well?
I feel fine.
Well, me too.
I was here a minute ago and I heard a funny sound.
Oh? Like what?
Like, kind of a little song.
Little song?
Went,
I know.
like that.
Like a little brook?
Like a brook.
I don't know what it could be. Like that?
Ollie, come here a minute. Ollie?
Hello, kids. How are you?
Hello, how
Hello.
fine, you?
I'm fine.
Did you hear anything?
No. What?
I don't know. Stay here a while.
What's the matter? Spooks?
No, it sounded like a little brook running.
I don't hear anything.
It's like having a toothache and going to the dentist. Now it won't do it.
Yeah.
There. Hear it?
No.
Oh, you must hear it.
I didn't hear a thing.
Did you hear that? Now listen.
There. You aren't listening. Did you hear it?
Can't hear a thing.
Ollie!
Well, what's missing?
I'm hungry. I didn't have any lunch today.
Well, Ollie, that's your own fault.
For heaven's sakes, why don't you go down to the icebox? There's lots of sealed ice
Always
cream
something to
down
eat
there.
down there.
Go on. Make yourself a milkshake or a beautiful chocolate sundae or
Boy, that sounds real good to me.
anything you want. Everything's in the pantry. Chocolate syrup and the cherries, strawberries, and the deep freeze. Anything you want.
Okay, you'll excuse me?
Yes, certainly.
Certainly.
Thank you.
I wish he would eat his lunch.
I wish you would, too.
Honestly. Franny, there's so many things to do today.
I know there are.
So many important things that I've got to take care of today.
Mm-hmm.
You remember Mr. McMillan who came up to see us?
I certainly do.
From down in Charlotte, North
Yes.
Carolina?
Yes, indeed.
Well, yesterday, it wasn't today, it was yesterday, he opened his big new store down there.
Oh, did he?
Mm-hmm. It's just like the RCA exhibit hall in New York City, you know that?
Well, I think
Where we
that's
played in the
wonderful.
Johnny Victor Theater.
Yes.
And so I just wanted to wish him lots of luck down there.
Well, I would like to, too. He's
We
a
have lots of-
charming gentleman.
We have lots of fine field test friends down in North Carolina, too. Remember the gentleman we met?
Yes, I should say.
He-
Wasn't he nice?
Very nice. I think
Such
he
a
had,
courtly gentleman. Oh, goodness.
he, had
Bowed and spoke so beautifully.
he had an ice cream store down there, too.
He did?
Mhm.
I didn't know that.
Reminded me a little bit of Colonel Cracky.
Well, he did.
Not in looks,
No.
but he was polite like Colonel Cracky.
Colonel Cracky has a great deal of charm.
Yeah. Oh, work.
Work, yes. Well, I guess I'd better go and
No,
do it.
don't go.
No?
No, because I want to organize all this work.
All right. What shall we do first?
Well, let me see. How's the world today?
How is the world? It's wonderful, marvelous, glamorous, glorious. It's a wonderful world. I'm just walking on air. Talk of heaven on earth. I've had more than my share. Haven't got a care. Happy all day through. It's a wonderful world, loving wonderful you. Feel like I'm walking on air. Talk of heaven on earth. I've got more than my share. Haven't got a care. Happy all day through. It's a wonderful world, loving wonderful you. That's how the world
I
is.
like that.
Do you?
Now I can work very hard.
All right, I have some things really all outlined that I must do.
Well, there's some presents that I want to open today.
Oh, well, if it's presents, maybe I could stay and
I
see
think
some
you
of
should
them.
because some of them are for you.
Oh, happy day.
Shall we just go ahead and do that now?
Well, I think
Fletch,
that's
would you
all
like to help?
Certainly.
Come on up.
Hello there.
Hello, Fletcher.
How are you?
Wonderful, and you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Kukla?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's on the docket?
Presents.
Oh, presents. Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
they may be on something else, I don't know, but we thought we'd like to have them up here.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, Fran. My.
I knew you'd like that, Fletcher.
That's a real good one.
It was for
well,
you especially.
Oh, well, thank you. You're very. I enjoyed your song too.
I'm glad of
Let
that.
me just tell you that.
How's your father?
Fine, thank you. I had a card from him. I had a card from.
Well, I'm glad he's well, Fletcher. Now, I'll see you later.
Oh no. You asked about Dad, and I know that he always writes in his letter. And he wrote. It was a comparatively short letter this
Oh.
time. he wrote, well, he only wrote 32 pages this time on both sides of the paper. Well, he told me, he has a new hobby. He does.
It is.
Well, it's kind of hard to explain.
Oh.
It's, it's a rather difficult hobby to explain, as a matter of fact. Dress designing.
Your father?
What's so strange about that? Some of the finest dress designers in the entire world happen to be gentlemen.
Yes,
Well,
indeed.
it just doesn't seem to go with your father somehow.
No.
Well, yes, it does.
So far afield from guppies, well, maybe not either. I don't know.
Here's the thing. You see, Father, Father was, he was a special delegate to the last rabbit convention.
I see.
And while he was there, he realized, you see, there was the Women's Auxiliary meeting, too, at the same time. And he realized that many of the rabbits which were there, who? I don't know who they were. I wasn't there.
It's all right, Fletch. Go ahead.
Well, anyway, as I started to say, many of the ladies' auxiliary, he thought looked just a little bit, shall we say, out of style. Now, it's the purpose of the rabbit convention to make better relationships between rabbits and farmers. That's an age-old problem that we've been trying to work out for a long time. We are trying to educate rabbits to grow their own gardens, as you know, so that they will save wear and tear on other people's gardens.
Yes.
Well, there's always some rowdies in every group.
Oh, I know that.
And we've had quite a difficult situation with that entire thing. I just spoke to E.B. just yesterday about the whole thing.
How is E.B.?
E.B., fine.
Easter Bunny?
Yes.
I knew who he was. I wanted everybody else to know.
Oh, that was nice.
Sure. Well, it won't be long before things are humming at the eggplant.
No, ma'am.
Maybe wonderful.
Oh, ma'am, we're getting busy. We have a big order for chocolate-covered eggs this year.
Well,
But anyway,
count on us to help.
Well, good. Well, anyway, as I was about to say, here was my father at the convention. You see, this was not the National Rabbits Convention. This was it was the Eastern Sector, Southeastern, as a matter of fact. It was held down near Washington. And anyway, here was my father, and he thought to himself, well, now here are all these people working on relationship between farmers and rabbits, and here the ladies' auxiliary looked untidy.
Perish forbid.
Yes, they did. They looked untidy and just a little unkempt and out of style. Well, my father is always one for better public relations, you see.
Yes,
And,
that I know. I just asked, how was his father? That's all I asked.
He's fine.
Honestly. No wonder his mother spent a great deal of time away from home. Not any wonder at all. Well, I'll go and do my work. I'll see you. Oh, the presents.
The presents.
We're getting the
How do we
presents.
get the presents out?
All right, let's get them.
All right.
Who has them? Who has them?
I don't know. Ollie, I guess, or somebody. Ollie! What are you doing?
I'm just turning on the mixer.
For heaven's sakes. I'll get the presents.
All right.
Somebody riveting down there? Relax, Ollie.
I can. I'm making myself a nice seal test ice cream milkshake.
What's he making it with?
A mixer, I guess.
I think it sounded like that.
Just that little added touch.
Well, is it good?
Delicious. Oh, boy, that was great. I made a chocolate one.
Did you?
Grand, yeah. I think I'll go bake and make some more.
Wait, kid, I got news for you.
What?
We would all like to have one, too.
Good. Should say.
I'll go make one for the whole bunch.
All right.
Be right back. You come get it, huh, Coop?
Okay.
We like it pretty thick, too.
Yes, we put lots of Sealtest ice cream in it. And vanilla. I like mine with vanilla.
I, too.
Okay, whatever you like. Here we go. We'll fix it in just a minute.
You know something?
Mhm.
It's kind of wonderful. You know, since we've had our Sealtest ice cream here at WNBQ in Chicago, Have you noticed something?
Well, I've noticed that everyone has seemed happier, and,
Notice the new friends we've acquired?
Oh, you mean from the outside world?
Well, from the whole station.
Yes, indeed I have.
The studio was only built for about 5 people. I think we have about 50 in it every day, standing by the ice cream when we dish it out.
Yes, and they missed us while we were gone.
Did you see that telegram from George?
Indeed.
What did he say?
Marked urgent.
Yeah.
Said, come home at once, ice cream all gone.
Oh, I think it's wonderful. I think it's fun.
Wonderful.
Because then we can sit around and have our desserts all the time.
Yes, indeed. Well,
Of course,
we have a little chat.
milkshake isn't exactly a dessert. That's kind of a
Oh, it's
regular...
a food.
That's a real dinner, practically.
Yes, it is.
It's nice to have in the studio, too, when you're working, you know.
Certainly is.
And you put in that wonderful, creamy, smooth, packed with flavor seal test ice cream,
I should say.
a little chocolate syrup, and some seal test milk, and mix it all together.
Whirl it around. Here we go.
Mix it all... Mix it all together. It spells
His
mother.
mother.
All right, Ollie, that should be enough. We don't want it. We won't...
Well, Mr. Hoity-toity.
We don't want it just beaten to pieces. We want it kind of thick with lots of ice cream in it. Ooh, it looks good.
Does it? Oh, yes. Well, he made plenty.
Yeah, get me
I
another
sure
glass. I think there's another shaker full down there.
May I pour it?
Yeah, why don't you try some? I'll be right back.
Yes, I will. Goodness, this is more than enough for me.
Why don't you pass it around, Fran?
Pass it around? Well, I guess there's enough to do that with. Let's see. Yes, I think so.
Thanks, Fran.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's great.
Thanks, Fran.
Wonderful.
Did you pass it around, Fran?
Yes, I did.
What's the matter?
How many people are on the crew here?
Well, there's Ross. And there's, of course, the cameramen weren't off, nor the boom man.
There's a new boy here somewhere.
Well,
he looked like a nice kid.
Oh.
Could I take this over?
sure.
All right.
Then we'll open the presents,
All right.
because I can hardly wait. Fran,
Okay.
did you leave us backstage?
No, I haven't been back there.
Wonder whose it is. I can't...
Must
Oh! Excuse me, I didn't know it was yours.
New boy. Handsome, isn't he?
Oh, I don't know.
He spilled a little bit there.
Get you over here, I'll get my mop.
That's good. Well, now for the presents. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I think that's
Oh, Coke!
wonderful milkshake.
Did you like it?
Thank you.
Glad you did. I feel much better, too.
Do you? That's
Yeah.
fine. We're going to get to see some presents, I think.
Hmm?
I think we are.
Oh, good. That'll be nice. Well, come on, Cook. How about the present?
Maybe. Oh, for me?
Looks like your size.
No, it isn't, I'm sorry. It's from, it's from Madam Oglepus, and it's from Dot Elliott in Richmond, Virginia.
I think it would look much prettier on Madame Oglepus than me, but I wish it were mine.
I'm awful sorry, Fran. It isn't.
Beautiful.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's for you, Ollie. Just for you.
Let's show it to
Isn't it?
Fletcher Rabb. Maybe he'd like to send it to his father.
Oh, it is lovely.
Lovely, yeah.
From Richmond, Virginia.
From Richmond, isn't that pretty?
Oh, it is.
Taffeta, isn't it?
Beautiful. Yes,
Russell.
it is. Mm-hmm.
I'll give it to Madam Oglepus.
All right. Oh, won't she put it on with that?
Here, this is also from Dot for Mercedes. Isn't that cute? It's handmade. Look, isn't that lovely?
Yes, isn't that beautiful? Not for you. Get your head. Oh, I didn't mean for your... Did it hurt?
Don't go into it so strenuously.
Did it hurt, Ollie?
No, it just
Oh.
jarred me a little.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I'll take this down and give it to Mercedes.
All right, good.
What else?
Well, what else indeed?
Oh, Fran, here's something for you.
For me.
Yeah. bracelet.
Oh,
From
how
Tom Flanagan in
lovely.
Hartford, Connecticut.
Isn't that wonderful with my name on it?
And there's one for Madame Ocopus and for Buelah, too.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Isn't that
Thank you
nice?
very much.
Little smaller ones for...
Yes, oh, they're beautiful.
Aren't they cute, too?
I should say. What for you?
Oh, I don't know.
Must be something for you.
Oh, there probably is something.
And something for Ollie, surely.
Look.
Oh.
Isn't that great?
It's lovely. It shines. I bet Gami won't let you wear it.
Because it reflects in the camera?
I guess so.
Cook, look what I found here for you.
What?
A little knitted set
Oh.
from Mrs. Lillian Rosamelia, I think it is.
A
From
little cap?
Bellevue, New Jersey.
Want to put it
Isn't
on?
that cute? Yeah, could I?
Tight under your lips. Now, Ollie, this will be wonderful. It's cold today, too. No.
You rock my
Oh,
baby.
no, now, Ollie, it's no such a thing.
Up here, man.
Oh, that's
Look at the little gloves.
little gloves.
So cute. Why don't you put the little gloves on, Kukla?
All right, I will. Gee, they're warm.
From
I can't get them on.
Jill, Gloria, Leo Jr., and Ralph from who? Rosamelia? Mr. and Mrs. Rosamelia?
Yes, Mrs.
And Joseph.
Mm-hmm.
Well, good for them. Well, it's handsome.
It's lovely. Come on. I'll put you in your little Betty bag.
It looks wonderful, Kukla, and you'll be glad you had it when you went outside. Believe me.
Well,
it's
I
cold.
like it very much.
Well, I do, too.
Makes me mad.
Oh, don't get mad.
Oh, it does. Just
Well,
the same.
it's a little provoking, I know. But you
Look.
look
Here's something nice.
something else.
It's a plaque. It's made of,
A
I think,
little-
of copper.
Yes, it is, Kukla.
Is there a name on that somewhere?
Let me see. It's from Margaret Russell from Columbus, Ohio, to
Isn't
you.
that nice?
That's handsome.
I think it's wonderful.
Yes,
We can
indeed.
put that on the wall, can't we?
Certainly can. It'll look beautiful in your office.
That's nice. Oh, a wonderful present.
But
Da da.
now, Ollie,
Daddle daddle daddle. Daddle daddle daddle. Want ice cream?
had ice cream.
Oh, come on. You can play.
No, I'm not going to play that.
Oh.
What are you doing with my hat on?
Don't you like it on me?
No, I don't. It's my hat. Give it back to me.
Try and get it.
I want it now.
I won't give it to you now.
Don't tease me.
Oh, Cook! Don't you do it! Cook!
Ah, don't.
Cook! Fran!
Oh,
Fran!
don't. You look lovely.
Fran!
Madam Oglepuss, it's... Oh, excuse me. Had no idea it was you, Ollie.
I'm just playing.
Where is he?
He went to that-a-way.
Which way? Well, this is silly now.
Yes, it really
I
is.
didn't mean to lose my temper, but sometimes he teases me to distraction.
I know it. This has a little label in it. Isn't that fancy?
Thank you.
Shall I go and hang it up?
If you want to.
Right.
Are there any other presents down there, Ollie? Ollie? Ollie, are there any other presents down there? I'll get them myself. Here's some little aprons. Fran from
We need new
Vivian
aprons.
Huning in Chicago. Here's my little apron.
That's for you and for Ollie.
Little cool apron.
Ollie, come here and try on your apron.
You sure you get it around my waist?
Well, now that, sir, is a debatable question. Like it there?
Yeah.
Oh, fine. I have one, too.
I feel like singing a song now that I have it.
I do, too.
Would you like to sing a popular song?
Certainly would. Popular, the better.
Would you... Would you like to sing a Bec Moi?
You bet.
All right, let's sing a little popular ditty.
All right. When I'm up to my neck, being down in the mouth, there's a place I can play. So to lose my hankering, I pull my anchor in and head that away. A dee-lie, dee-lo, here's a fiddle and bow, and swing your cares away.
Down in Copper Canyon, people are mighty gay.
Look at her, look at him, look at Sally and Slim. Why, they're real glad they came.
Down in Copper Canyon, I'm sure feeling the same.
Gonna dance with a girlie, romance with a girlie, the one in the prettiest gown. Have a wingding,
Have a time, it's that kind of town.
A dee-lie, dee-lo, keep a tapping your tooth and give a yip-yahoo. They're coming Copper Canyon, there ain't nothing else to do.
Gonna dance with a fella, romance with a fella, gonna whirl in my prettiest gown.
Have a wingding,
Have a time,
it's that kind of town. Dee-lie, dee-lo, keep a tapping your toe and give a yip-yahoo. Because in Copper Canyon, there ain't nothing else to do. Have a hold down, let cider go down.
Whoop and holler, never gonna slow down.
A gals in gingham, what you gonna bring 'em?
Bring 'em, ging 'em, if you want to swing 'em.
Down in Copper Canyon, there ain't nothing else to do.
Nice trip. Had a good time. In the canyon, I guess. Ollie? Did you meet Ollie on his way down?
No, I met a carpet sweeper named Maisie.
Oh! Local joke, but I just love it.
Why, everybody knows that. Buelah Witch is a friend of Buelah Witch's. She rides a carpet sweeper instead of a broom.
Is she truly a friend of Buelah's?
I think so.
Well,
I think so.
hope they'll be very happy together.
Would you like to come up and help close the show?
I don't know that I can make it or not. I slipped.
Oh, we'll try it.
Try it.
Glad to see you.
Thank you. Get the best.
Get seal test.
Get the best, get seal test.
Say, this is worth looking into. A box of Seal Test ice cream cherry shortcakes. The dessert of the month for February. Let's see that one. Mighty wonderful eating. Made with Seal Test vanilla ice cream, famous for flavor, a puree of tangy, sweet, red ripe cherries, and topped with whipped cream. What a flavor team. Order ice cream cherry shortcakes individually or by the box from your Seal Test ice cream dealer. And always get the best. Get Seal Test.
This is Burr Tillstrom speaking. However, if Kukla were speaking, he might say just this.
Thank you. Thank you on behalf of all the Kuklapolitan players.
Kukla, Fran and Ollie are brought to you by the divisions of National Dairy Products Corporation, makers of Seal Test products. Always look for the name Seal Test. It's your assurance of purity, quality, and fine, rich flavor in ice cream, milk, and other dairy products.